Hi everyone, I have an interesting test here I've thought of doing, and what I have here is a total of nine 9-volt batteries in series, and these batteries in series give a total of around 87 volts at this time. And I have this meter here hooked up to this middle battery right here, and it's displaying about 9.67 volts, maybe closer to 9.68. And the average from all the batteries, they're pretty close, are about 9.75, I would say, would be about the average. Some are a little more voltage, but it's pretty much in that range there. The idea here is just to test the circuit with the high voltage, and as far as I'm concerned, all these batteries here, even though there's high voltage, really equals of the energy of one 9-volt battery. Even though we have them all in series, you can only get the energy value of one battery, but we've got high voltage. So this is kind of a test to look at, high voltage and what would happen. So what I'm going to do here, I have the light bulb, and if I put this light bulb here across this center battery here, and we look at what the voltage drop will be here on this meter here, which is monitoring that battery. And I'll do that right now. All right, and I'll hook it on for, let's put it on for at least 20 seconds. All right, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so you saw the voltage drop with that load, right? And what I'll do now is I'll put it on where I had the resistor on the recirculating side of the circuit. All right, and I'll start the circuit up. All right, and I'll leave it for the same amount of time, probably even longer. What should happen, I believe, what I've done here is I've also put a 22 microfarad capacitor, and I have this meter here is attached to the capacitor here, which also the bulb. So the bulb is in parallel with that capacitor right here. Okay, and this is only on the recirculated flyback side here that is on. So as we see, our center battery here is recovering from that load. All right, and what I'll do, even to be fair, I can move I can move this to another battery here. Oops, it's going to be too high a voltage there. Okay. Okay, so I'm on the third battery right now. So as you see, we're at 9.69 on that third battery there. So when I start the circuit, all I have to do is just connect my negative side here. The circuit is tuned, and I have the circuit tuned so the bulb will be at around 8 volts, and it'll maintain 8 volts. And the interesting thing is, you saw how, putting that bulb on one battery, how much the voltage drops, right? Well, I would think if this is, 100% efficient or less than 100% efficient, we should see this about the same voltage drop for that same period of time, right? Because I don't know, maybe I don't understand this right, but as far as I'm concerned, those 9 batteries in series should equal the same energy as one battery. It's just higher voltage. Anyways, I'm posting this. It's not a fact or anything, but I'd like everybody's opinion on this, and to evaluate if this is a correct way of measuring, to looking at it. Because I need to create high voltage for this circuit to work, right, efficiently. And at 88 volts, it's far from being at its efficient level. I figured around 230 volts or 240, it becomes very efficient at that voltage. But anyways, I had these already made for another test, these batteries, and I just pulled it off the shelf and put it on. So here goes. We're at 9.7, all right, and I'll start the circuit. So our bulb is at 8 volts, 8.19 at this time. And what I can do right now is I can zoom in a bit here. Now notice, oh, we're not even counting the seconds. Anyways, I don't care. I can leave this on for 5 minutes. The battery won't drop anywhere close to when I had the bulb. We're producing 8.5 volts here, constantly. And as you saw, I mean, when I had that bulb on one battery, I mean, it was dropping a lot faster than this. And we were, as soon as we connected, we were down to 8 volts. All right? So, I don't know, I'm having a hard time understanding that. And you guys can post what you think about it. All right, well, I'm sure we're over a minute now, and the voltage is far from dropping anywhere close to what it was. So I can keep letting it run. I mean, if you feel you can make calculations from that. And like I said, I think I can make even a better performance. I buy those are really cheap zinc batteries. You buy them for $1, I think, at the dollar store. So like 50 cents each. They're not very powerful. They can't store a good amount of energy, and mostly under load they drop in voltage very fast. So it's very interesting to see this. So anyways, I think that's probably enough, and I'll post this video and see what you guys think about it. Thanks for watching.